Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Lil Winner here, back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. If you're not, welcome back again to another awesome, fantastic video by moi. And wow, I'm actually enjoying this week. I'm so hyped. I'm so excited that Red Bull wants to be kicking in. Alright, so today we're gonna do a wing. I have always wanted to do this video for a long time, but then I didn't figure out, I was just trying to figure out what color to do for the wing other than the classic black that we all know about. I was trying to see if I can put some shimmer here and I can put some shimmer there, and it could be like this awesome multicolor type wingage going on. Lit, I know, thank you. But I don't know guys, we're going to do some freestyle when it comes to this. Today's a freestyle video. So usually I already have like an image of what we have to do, but today I just have that one thing, a wing. So I really don't know how this wing is gonna go. I hope it's gonna go great. Alrighty. So as you guys already know, I'm kind of like I don't have a makeup routine. I just go with the flow. Like whatever I feel like I'm gonna do, I do it. So today I'm going to start with my loose translucent powder. Wow, it's all over the place. This translucent powder, I don't know if you guys can see this. This shit. Okay. Ignore me and my little problems. Alright. Keep dancing on me. Stop waiting for you. As you guys can tell, I didn't prime my face for a reason. Because I'm not really going to wear this makeup for long. Because, you know, whenever I don't wear makeup for long, I just don't bother myself with primer. Next, I'm going to use my concealer. And I wanted to switch up my concealer a little bit and use the concealer in Cool Tan. Let's see what the outcome is going to look like. I'm still LA Pro girl. You've carried on so long, you couldn't stop if you tried it. You've built your wall so high that no one could climb. Take it out now. You guys, this song gives me life every time. Say that you're beautiful tonight. Okay. My brows to be primed, my eyelids to be primed too, so just don't cover it around my eye. Okay. Take it off now, boy. Take it off now, boy. So I'm taking my setting powder and just applying it on my concealed area. I feel like you want to take your setting powder. You want to take your setting spray Melania make it dewy. Setting spray hydrates, eliminates, and sets. Mm, not as much as you can. This actually makes the makeup look good. Okay, next I'm just gonna take my bronzer. My brow bone is kind of shaped funny on my right side, so like here it just goes swoop. Here is like it's trying to go swoop, but then it's like arch swoop. It's so weird, but you see what I'm saying? This side goes like weird, and this one is just perfect. When they say like brows are cousins or sisters or whatever, mine are like step brothers or something, step sisters. Okay guys, I went ahead and did this eye, and we're going to do this other eye. I already have my setting powder on just in case of fallout. So can we do that? I mean, not just in case of fallout, because obviously I'm gonna have fallout. So okay, so I'm gonna use this for this color here for my first color. So I'm applying this just softly around my edge. This is going to be my first color. Then take this second color here. Instead of doing exactly the same thing, have it and so that's all I'm doing. And then next, I'm going to take a wing with that. Something about that. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and start adding my colors. It doesn't have to be a specific palette. As far as you have like a palette that has almost a lot of colors, you can do this look. So first I'm going to go get my setting spray, and I'm just wetting the brush. I feel like I went the wrong direction. Okay, so wet the brush so you can get as much color as possible on here. So next I'm just going to use, first I'm using this orange right here, this orange color right here. I'm adding this yellow color right here. Next I'm going to take this green shimmery color right here. Next I'm going to take this blue color right here. This blue right here. My camera stopped at some point, so I don't know what you guys saw and what you guys didn't see, but I just kept adding the colors basically. Add is this color right here. This moon, it's like a blue, royal blue type thing. Next, I'm going to take my Perfect Precision lip liner crayon. It's a red lip liner, but you can use a red eyeliner if you want, or you can just use your eyeshadow instead. So I'm going to use that instead. So I'm just going to apply it at the end. Actually, for this eye, I forgot that I had this, so I was using my eyeshadow palette. And then as I'm applying that, I'm going to go below here. I'm going to use this deep color right here. So I'm using this color to just blend. Now I'm going to go in with my brush, and I'm just going to take that and just smoke this up. So I'm taking the yellow, and I'm going to put it around my corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to use my mascara. I'm not going to say the name of the mascara. You guys can go and see on my previous video that I made not long ago. I have a short-term memory, sucks, but I can't really remember my videos. That's sad, I know, don't grill me. It's just so many things are going on in my head, and then I gotta remember all these things, and just make sure to watch the video so you can get the mascara I'm using. You use my regular blush, but because this look is just giving me another vibe, so I'm going to use the eyeshadow palette instead of my blush. So I'm going to use that orange, I'm going to use that orange on my eye, and we're going to use it as a blush. One tip to know is whenever you apply your blush, please don't smile, because if you smile, your cheeks move up, and then you end up applying your blush on the wrong part of your face. So I always see people doing this. Don't do that. Relax your face, find your cheeks, and apply. No, I'm actually like digging this, so I'm going to use it around my forehead or so. For my highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Trippin'. I'm using the CoverGirl Wet n Wild lipstick. It's in the color 208 medium Mayon. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm going to use that. Revlon pink lipstick. And the color 815 Shine 815 Francia Shock. Next, I'm going to use this dark contour. It's actually a contour stick, but I use it for my lip most of the time, so I'm going to use this. It's also CoverGirl. I can't remember the, is it CoverGirl? I can't remember what it is, but we're going to use it. So, hey, I can actually leave it like this, and it has like a pop type feel to it. And kind of like a California Girl, Katy Perry type feel to it. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this. Okay, so for some of you, you might like to leave it like this, matte and all that, but I don't want to leave it matte. Having it because I don't even know why I just blew on it. Why did I just blow on the freaking lip gloss? So I feel since this is a freestyle look, I want to do something else. So I might just dab around my eyeshadow. Kind of made it wet. Kind of made it wet. Okay. Okay. All right. You guys figure out why I just laughed. Because I can't. I can't. Oh, voila. That was it for this beautiful video that I just decided to shoot on a whim. So this freestyle look actually went well. Just look! I can't believe I did this. What? Out of my head. I did it. I think this is going to be my favorite look yet. It's kind of like a, it's giving like a summery vibe, pop of color in the fall. You know what I'm saying? Look, I might just rock this look for Thanksgiving. Look, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Comment down below. And don't forget to comment regardless. Comment, share, like. Don't forget to subscribe. And come on, why would you want to join this family? We're awesome, okay? Even though we're really small, we're awesome. And it'd be nice for you to join us. Turn on your push notification, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.